Hi everyone. In a previous video, I discussed about ClickerSnap and whether it is a good place to earn some passive income. If you're interested to learn more about it, you can go watch that video. Here is the card with the link above, and I will leave the link in the description below too. Today, I'm going to discuss with you another site where you can share your photos and make some passive income too. It's a site called Pexels. On this site, creators share their photos and videos that become copyright-free stock and photos and videos there. So, is it a really good way to earn passive income? Can you make a lot of money? Let's explore and discuss about this. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I've been at Pexels for years, mostly to use the copyright-free images and videos for my websites and this channel. Yep, it is a great resource for getting images and videos that are copyright-free. Some of you may know this already, some maybe not. But did you know that you can earn a side income at Pexels? Let's take a look. On the About Us page, Pexels says that they provide high quality and completely free stock photos licensed under the Pexels license. And all these photos are tagged, searchable, and easy to be discovered. And here we see their mission is to help millions of designers, writers, artists, programmers, and other creators to get access to beautiful photos and videos that they can use freely, which empowers them to create amazing products, designs, stories, websites, apps, art, and other work. And they call it empowering creators. And under the contribute section, you can upload your own videos, photos, and be part of the Pexels community. So what are the benefits of sharing photos and videos on Pexels? When you share your photos and videos on Pexels, you can help creative people from all over the world, and you can also inspire them. These people can be entrepreneurs, visual artists, photographers, video creators like you and me. And Pexels gets about 18 million visits per month. That makes it one of the most trafficked photography platforms in the world. And it also means that you can get your work reached and seen by millions of people from all over the world. And here is an interesting part of the site, a section called donations, where users are prompted to consider a donation after downloading your video or photos. Personally, I have seen this. And there's the exposure where your photos and videos can reach millions, as said before. And there's a stats section where you can see how many image views, downloads, and likes your photos have gained. And you can also see where your photos have been featured. Photos and videos from Pexels can often be used in major publications and major channels, major sites, So Pexels will show you the notable outlets where your work has been featured. And in the giving back section, many of the contributors have benefited from the free images and photos shared by others. So sharing your own work is a great way to pay it forward. So like I mentioned earlier, it is a great resource for getting images, videos that are copyright free, and to use it for your designs, your website, your apps. I use it on my YouTube channel and my websites and social media too. And I've been doing it for years. But I have not really used it for making money. So let's take a look at that now. All the time that I've used Pexels, I noticed that whenever I download a photo or video, I'll be asked to give a donation to the creator. When I download that photo or video, a pop-up appears and asks me if I would consider a donation to the creator of the image or video. So from there, I have seen that there's this donation section where users are prompted to consider a donation after downloading a photo or video. And I did think of sharing my own photos and see if I can get donations and some side income from this method. After all, I have many photos on my, taken on my smartphone. So I thought, why not give it a try? But I've been so busy and been putting it off, but now, lately, I've been thinking of exploring this passive income opportunity. So here I am. And as usual, I share with you what I experience as I embark on this make money online potential. It looks very simple. Just upload the photos, activate the donations option, leave your photos, videos on the Pexels sites, and wait for donations. And as you upload more photos and videos, there's more donations may be possible because you have so many photos and videos. Some people may actually be kind enough to give you a little donation, and that can be your side income. So this is a good option to share photos that you do not plan to sell, or you do not want to add to any stock photography site like Shutterstock. I will do a video about Shutterstock, so watch for that. So just upload on Pexels and accept donations. As you can see, this can be a form of passive income. As you upload more photos and videos, there may be people willing to donate to you. So it's quite a numbers game. And you can earn a little, nice little side income, and from what I've seen, the amount to donate is actually not fixed. So some people may donate, say, 10 cents to you, some may be $1. So you never know how much you can get. I'm going to do that. And in fact, I've started uploading photos and videos just to try out and see whether, I can make money from here. So I made sure that my account allows donations. In time, over the months or so, when I make some money, I will do a follow-up video to share with you. One thing to note, most people who tried this have mentioned that the money earned is not a lot. It can be, say, some, I won't say the amount, but some have said that it's like a pocket money. You can afford to buy pizza or maybe even your Netflix subscription. If you actually prefer to have an online business to make more money for the long term, then I recommend affiliate marketing. And you need to learn how to do it right. Have the right tools to help you succeed and expert help to guide you when you are lost. There's a resource that I recommend to get all that, education, tools, expert help. This is my number one recommendation. I will put the link in the description below. Click on the link to get this training now, and it is free training. So do you have any questions about Pexels, or are you already starting your photos there, starting to download your photos and videos there? And how is it going for you? Let me know in the comments below. I will continue to publish new videos. On every Wednesday, I try to upload about making money online. Fridays will be about digital marketing, business, tips and all that. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.